Hello, in this video we intend to teach you how to register on the InstaForex Broker through Tradingfinder. You enter Forex Brokers, select InstaForex Broker, click on the Go to Website section and enter the website. At the bottom, you click on the Open Trading Account option and enter the registration section. In the first part, you choose whether your account will be in individual or company status. Enter your email address and click on the Proceed option. In the second part, you enter your first and last name, date of birth, residential address, city, and region where you live, postal code of your country, and your mobile phone number, and then click on the Proceed option. In the next section, you choose a password that you can enter manually, and in this section, you can generate the password. You repeat the password for confirmation and also enter a security code. You create it manually here and generate it from here, then confirm. In the next section, you select the necessary settings for leverage and then choose your account type, whether it should be standard or not. You select your region, whether it is the UK, USA, or Europe, and then choose the leverage and the currency you will work with. You indicate whether you want an Islamic account or not. In the next section, if you have a referral code, you enter it here, or if you don't, you can obtain it from our support team. In this section, you select your mobile operating system, and then confirm the website's terms and conditions, and click on the Open Account option. Your account has been completely and fully created. Goodbye.